Hi, and welcome to my crypto mining portfolio. Today we're going to go over USD coin, commonly abbreviated USDC, and we're going to talk about, is it safe? Is it valuable? Can you make money with it, even though it's supposed to stay at $1 constantly? Well, these are all really good questions, ones that I've been asking myself recently. And today I'm actually going to dig into it, explain everything, buy some, transfer it with apparently no fees. We're going to test that out as well. And of course, I'm going to go over my weekly profits from my first mining rig adventure. So first off, what is USDC? Well, it's a stable coin backed by the US dollar, 1-to-1. And this we can actually see on their website because they're audited and they make their audits public. So it's basically just a coin that you can transfer for free that's backed by an actual US dollar that in any of the exchanges that support it, you could transfer it back into $1 US. And I've actually done this before out of curiosity. It checks out. It's powered by Ethereum, so you can have it on any Ethereum capable wallet. I use MetaMask, so that works out really well. And global transactions. So this part's really cool. If you have a family member in a different country, I know I do, you can send them money without any transaction fees, which is really, really cool. USDC is also getting integrated into some businesses' websites. So another way to avoid fees, maybe they can make their product slightly cheaper for USDC because they're not getting hit with that 2 to 4% credit card fee. It's really interesting, and I think it'll do really well. So here's some more information on Circle's site. This is the company who actually built this thing. And as you can see, it's growing quick. $2.7 billion in circulation as of October 2020. 150 billion transferred on the chain total, and it's been $1 the entire time. So far, it's proven itself very trustworthy. And this is the part that really matters for keeping the price stable, fully reserved and built on standards. The USDC is issued by regulated financial institutions and backed fully by reserved assets. I haven't seen any sites or companies that I personally use that support USDC besides the trading apps, but here it says hundreds of companies and products and services support USDC standard. It's good to see it getting used by more people. Introducing more people to crypto, I think, is a good thing. Here are their accounting reports. So let's go to the most recent one and make sure everything checks out. I've already read through this, and the important parts are as follows. USDC tokens issued and outstanding, 2.5 billion. US dollars held in custody accounts, 2.5 billion. As of the report date and time, the issued outstanding USD tokens do not exceed the balance of US dollars held in custody accounts. Now this, as long as that stays the same, then this is going to be safe because it's backed by a real asset and a real bank account, and you can't beat that. How can you make money with an asset that stays $1? That was the question I've been asking myself because I've been looking for a safe way to invest some of my earnings from my mining rig, because I would hate to go negative past my power costs because that would just be silly. So let's hop over to my phone. So let's test all this out and show how it works in real life. So first we're gonna hit the Coinbase app. There's some money in here I've been converting into Bitcoin. This is the profits from my second rig, the experimental rig I haven't shown you guys yet. So staking on the Coinbase app, you'll get 0.15% APY. That doesn't even catch up with the target of 2% inflation for the US dollar. So instead, we're going to go over to crypto.com where they're offering us a 10% APY. So here, just to show you guys, we will go to earn. I'll hit this plus arrow. And you can see all the different coins here you can stake for pretty good APYs. But the one we are interested in is USD coin. And if you select the longest term, which is 3 months, it's 10% a year. But in order to do this, you need $250 worth, I believe. Yes, 250 USDC. So let's transfer it over. And now it says that there is no transfer fees. This part I haven't tested yet, so this will be exciting. We're gonna go back to Coinbase. We're gonna hit the send button. And we're gonna send all. And let's see how long this takes. The USDC took under 2 minutes to come in, which is really cool. And now all we have to do to get our 10% APY is go to earn, hit the plus arrow, USD coin, and I actually have read the terms and conditions. Basically it says that they're gonna take this into other assets and invest it in other things, and that crypto assets aren't backed by the government. But this particular one is, in a way, because it's backed by US dollars in banks that are insured. So there you go. And in here, I'm just gonna go max because why not? So we'll deposit that, and I will keep you guys up to date on this channel on how the staking rewards go. And since we selected the longest term, that was 3 months, I will reinvest all the interest gained at the end of that period. So this will be compounding 4 times a year, which will be really cool. But for now, let's get back on the computer and I'll show you how much my first mining rig has earned. This is week 7 mining. Now this is exactly why I'm trying to make the portfolio more stable and predictable by putting the power cost into USD coin. Because this week we gained just over 0.1 ETH, but we're only up about $12. And my power cost was 14. Yes, we are still way in the green, of course, overall, but just with a little downtick in the price of Ethereum, we lost $2 this week, technically. And that's not something I really want to be part of my portfolio. So I think once a month, I'm going to put the power cost into USD coin, and then I will be staking it for that 10%. And if that staking deal goes away, then I'll find another more stable investment to put at least the power cost in, because worst case scenario, I have my power cost money in a stable coin, and then I can sell the equipment on eBay and get out for what I have into it. But that's not what I think is going to happen. I think Ethereum is going to do really well, probably hit at least 500 next year, and we'll be looking really pretty and pay off this rig in no time. But that's the portfolio. This is week 7 on the 1070 Ti and 5700 rig. So yeah, thanks for watching. And if you want to see more of a breakdown on the rig and how I got this number, you can see that in previous videos. So thanks for watching.